So today we are going to discuss about the Excel, right? So in a Excel we have a new feature, that is the flash fill. So first one, I have a 3 sheet inside this Excel, and before going to start this, I just want to give you the introduction about this Excel. So in an Excel, on the top, the first one is the file. This file is a menu, and this menu is same as the previous time. We have a tools, and inside the tools we have a option. So all that options we can see inside this file menu. So in our file menu, we have option like info to protect a worksheet, inspect workbook, manage workbook, and browse view options. So same like this, we have so many new options available here. Suppose I want to create a new Excel, so I have those templates available inside this location. Then to open a new Excel workbook, we can use this one: save, save as, print, share, export, publish. So in an export, suppose I want to export it in a PDF format or in XPX document format, or I want to change my file type, I can use that option from this export section. Then publish. In a publish, I want to publish it into the browser BI. So we will discuss about this one when we do a cloud computing or in a business intelligence. And then close, and here we have option like account. So in this I can sign in with my office account, and options in which I can customize my Excel workbook. So though, in a previous time, like the option which was available in 2003 inside a tools and tool menu and inside a option, those options are available here inside this file menu. Then after this, next one is called as a home. In a previous time, we called this as a menus, but from Excel 2007, we called it as a tab. Home tab, insert tab, page layout, formulas, and rest of the other. Now, inside a home tab, just below this section, this one we called as a ribbon. We can minimize this ribbon, just click on the corner like this. So like this way we can hide our ribbon. So suppose I want to work with that ribbon section. So how can I do that? Again, I click on a home, and that ribbon is visible here. So suppose I want to pin this ribbon. So here on the corner, right hand side corner, pin the ribbon. Click, or otherwise you can press a Control F1. Now, so inside this ribbon is a collection of a group. So in this location you can see clipboard, that is a one group, font is the another group, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. These are the different groups which is available in the ribbon. Or we can say ribbon is a collection of group. Now suppose I want to see a font dialog box. So here this small arrow, down arrow button, that one is called as a setting tab, right? So when I click on this one, so here it show me a dialog box here related to the format cells, and in a format cell that font option is open here, right? Now here, first of all, in a 2013 onward, Microsoft introduced a new option, that one we called as a flash fill. Sorry. So this flash fill is the new option. Now for example, I want to fill a first name here. So in this location I have some few email IDs. So I want to fetch a first name from this email ID. Previously we use a left function, right function. Now in this location what I do, I type a name, Neelam, Sonia, and here I can use, click here, sorry, fill and flash fill. So automatically it fill that option, right? Now here Sharma, then Rana, automatically there is a that option is visible here, that is dim in color. After that when I press enter, automatically I can see the first name here. Then after that what I want domain name in this section. So domain name like gmail.com, hotmail.com. So here I type gmail.com, then I type Hotmail. So when I type an initial 2 character, automatically it show me the domain name. Then I press enter. So this is the option, that one is introduced from Office 2013, right? So this is the new feature in Excel. Now here we jump to the second worksheet. That worksheet is this one. Inside this worksheet I have information about company, industry, Q1, Q2 sale. Now in this location I want to apply a filter condition. So for a filter condition, we know that first of all we have to select the first row of this Excel sheet. Now after that I go in editing. This editing option available inside home tab. Now I click on this and here click filter. Now in this location I want to select the travel information. So click here on this filter, select all, and you can select travel like this. Then apply filter. So this is the one way. Now I want to remove a filter condition, and here you see when we apply a filter condition, so that filter button, you see there is a up arrow. So this information is, this particular column is filtered here. Now I again expand it and I click select all. Now I can apply a text filter in this section. Text filter equals. In this location I type equals, and you can select the option from this. For example, miscellaneous, then okay, miscellaneous. Right? So this is the filter option. Now I want to remove this filter. So here in a editing tab, clear, clear all, or otherwise click on this location, filter, and create filter from industry. So this is the way to apply filter. And now I don't want this filter button inside my Excel sheet. So I click on this and remove this filter button. So this is the easiest way to perform filter inside the Excel. So we know that Excel is a workbook, and that workbook is a collection of worksheets, and worksheet contain information in the form of rows and columns. So after this filter, next I move to the sheet number 3. In this location I have a record like category, product, sales, and quarter 1. Now here I have a question like find sum of sales for quarter 1. Right? So in this location, previously we use if functions and all that. Now in this location, Microsoft introduced a new function, that is SUMIF function. SUMIF function, I want SUMIF for the quarter 1, right? So my range is quarter 1. Here I select this range, Control Shift, Control Shift End. Then after that I press comma. So you can see that function is visible here. And then after that my condition is here, so I specify quarter 1. Then sum range for the for sales, find sum of sales. So here I select this and Control Shift End, this one, and then close this. Here you can see that formula on the formula bar. Then press Enter. So in this location it show me sum of sales like this. Sum of sales where quarter is 1. Now, my second question is count a category for beverages. For beverages, so in this location, I use, when we use a function, first of all, you have to specify equal sign. Count if range, that range is this one. And my criteria is beverages. Then I press enter. So show me 46. Then next one is find the sum of sales where category is beverages and product is junk. Right? So here I have a condition, two conditions, sum ifs. First of all, sum of what? Sum of sales. This. Then my first criteria is where category is beverages. Like this one. And here I specify beverages. And second criteria, so for second criteria, I move up and here product like this, comma, and here I specify my product, check. Then I press enter, and here is the sum of sales. So thanks for watching and enjoy this video.